Wanted to make this video on this Packout organizer. It's the medium sized one, not the large one, not the small profile one. It's the parts organizer. I went ahead and fitted 2 chargers in there. They're not mounted down or anything, but they're snugged in there with foam. I had the the cords running through the center divider to where I can sit them in the center. Holds a few batteries. The batteries do go on the chargers, of course, right where they're at. Got an impact in there. And I went ahead on this one and drilled a hole in this front panel behind the locking mechanism. This way, if for any reason I need to plug it in like that, I can. I guess the cord's just up and out the way. I don't know if I like the design or not. I just went ahead and did it. Had an idea. The locking mechanism does still unlatch and work when I have it connected. But yeah, I don't know where I was going with that one, but that's where I'm at with it.